Previously on Honsbridge International School.
And we have the lower KG. Let's open up. We do have like class activity for them to grow beans. Phonics is further emphasized with the readers. Book of Wellness. And ta-da! Congratulations! And that would cover the lower KG in a nutshell. Okay, so coming to the last section, we have this is the upper KG. My first step with Cambridge. As you can see, this is night time. Wow, night time. What is this, Haley?
Giraffe.
That's giraffe. Very good. And this is a
Monkey.
very good. High five. Wow, good job. Round of applause to our guest here. And her name is, that's a bee. Bee. All right. And as we unbox here, wow, we have this nursery rhyme. This must be one of your favorite for the nursery rhyme. Oh, we have Old MacDonald had a farm. All right, let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Wow, very good. Good job. High five, Haley. All right, awesome. As we have covered in the previous nursery books, we have the flashcard here. All right, so these are high level. What shape is this, Haley?
Diamond.
All right, that's a diamond. Very good, diamond. And what about this?
Circle.
All right, that's a circle. And this one is a?
Star.
Very good. That's a star. And this one is?
Square.
Square. Awesome. Very good. High five. Good job. Okay, very good. So here we have phonics reader. This more in-depth, and as compared to the previous one, this one is a lot more harder. Chan and Charlie catch a school. What is this, Haley? Oh yes, that's the school bus. Oh, that's Chan and that's Charlie catching the school bus. So that's phonics. And we have the phonics skill books. They will learn to relate to the alphabets that they have learned previously, but more of the complete sentences like how to write bat, cat, mat, man. So what's this, Haley? That's a
B.
very good. All right, so that's phonics covered here, followed by the literacy workbook. Okay, so all the alphabet, how to find the missing vowel. Box, we have the letter O. Bag, we have the letter A. Okay, so this is more in-depth for the 5 years old, preparing them for primary 1. And this, they will get to learn how to write cursive writing. Now, cursive writing is not really a must, but they get to build their own style of handwriting. Okay, so as a higher level of alphabets, letter A, B, C, they get to learn cursive, the letter K, and that's the small letter K, and they will write plentiful. It's a lot of practice, a lot of repetition. And for awareness skill book, this we get to relate with our daily cheese, pencil, cookies, soft drinks, and all that. Haley, what is this, Haley?
Flowers.
Oh, that's our flowers. What is this color of this flower?
Yellow.
Very good, yellow and black.
Mommy like flower.
All right, and this is the sunflower. Followed by the Book of Wellness. So read means
Mommy.
go, yes. And followed by art and craft. They get to draw like this is a girl and that's a boy. Okay, so plenty of art and craft components here. Followed by numbers. These are all numbers that they will relate. Higher level, from 1 all the way to 50, and how to write them in sentences as well. And followed by the numeracy workbook. Okay, so that's where you fill in all the numberings, all the different ranges like addition, subtraction. So that's higher level, and of course how you That's right, that's a butterfly. And this how you add things together. 1 plus 6 gives you 7. Okay, that's all covered for numeracy. And we have the literacy skill book. That's where you do a lot more reading and connecting the dots. Wow, these are the different days. Monday,
Full day.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday,
Friday.
Saturday,
Saturday.
and it's Sunday. And that's all we can cover today. And like I said, this is the very extensive education material for the upper KG. This wraps up too. Congratulations, and that's all for the 5 years old. And we also wrap up with another poster here. Magic words like I'm sorry. Haley, can you say I'm sorry?
I'm sorry.
And this another magic word. Please, can I have an apple?
Please, I can't have home.
Have an apple, that's right. And of course, it's important to say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you are welcome.